Hey guys, Jack Lisa with majorleaguetrading.com, and I'm going to be showing you here in today's video an indicator I have built that helps me have big gains in Nadex. Right now I'm in one trade here. I'm up $4,200, so $4,278. And I want to show you why I chose to trade oil today. So oil is up out of any market. So I'm going to show you on the left here of my screen what you see is my binary watch list. Now, I don't actually use Nadex's charts. I don't think they're as good as other charts. So I have a completely separate software program that I use for charts, which you can see. And what I've done is this is a custom indicator. I call it the pinch indicator. And inside of the pinch indicator, I actually run scans for markets that are either in a bull trend or a bear trend. And you can see that here. It's a super bull. This is a custom scan I have. And then I also have a scan that's called super bear. Every morning I run and evening I run these scans. I look at my super bull charts and I look at my super bear charts. Super bulls, super bears. Being from Chicago, it's kind of funny. But anyway, there is all of these watch lists right here, and I'm going to show you. This is all of the products you can trade on Nadex. At the left here, my screen. Come on, let's do this. How about that? All of these are tradable Nadex products, except the Dixie. The only reason that I have the Dixie on there is because it's correlated to the dollar. In all of the dollar pairs. So every single one of these, Russell, Australian dollar, NASDAQ, copper, soybeans, the Dow, silver, Great Britain pound USD, it has all the currencies, all the commodities, and all of the indexes here that I can chart. And what I do is I cross-reference all of these markets with this scan. And I get super bulls and super bears. So when you have, I think there's like 20 some different markets you can trade on Nadex, how are you going to choose the one that's going to be up or down on the day? I use a scan to do that. It is called my super bull scan and my super bear scan. So what that is, this indicator on the bottom, it's called the MLT pinch. Okay, I am scanning for markets with uptrending, an uptrending pinch where the market is going to break out. And you can see oil breaking out here. Let's take a look at the USD JPY. Constant increase in this indicator. As it's moving up, I'm looking at that market for a long. Euro, Great Britain pound. You see how this indicator is moving lower now and lower? So I'm looking for shorts. All right, silver, same thing, lower and lower. The key to finding and trading Nadex is knowing what markets to take advantage of. Now, I knew that this market was, going to be a good market because what I was looking for is a combination of what's called my dive setup along with this indicator. All right, this indicator I have not released to the public yet. The current date is March 20th. I'm going to be releasing this on April 20th. To anyone who'd like to get it. Now, this is something I've been working on for 2 months, and I'm going to be doing an entire course showing you how I use this indicator to pick markets that give me huge gains, and then you too can use this indicator. I'll show you how to download this software, how to set up your scans inside of this software, and how to begin choosing the right markets to trade both on the bullish side and on the bearish side using software to pick. Now, if you're new to Nadex, this can be huge. So I'm going to leave a link below to that indicators if you'd like to join that indicator program. You can join it now, and then you will get the indicator when I release it to everybody. I'm just doing some final touches. You'll get the full course, the full indicators. It's my super bull and super bull. You're going to get my super bear and my super bull scans and indicators, as well as my binary watch list, as well as a tutorial for this software, as well as 4 more other indicators that I use. All right, they're called the MLT Trade Room indicators, and you can get them today, but the pinch indicator is going to be coming out on the 20th of April. So I'll see you guys then, and I really look forward to sharing this information with you because it's helped me a ton, and I know it's going to help you. Take care.